Most AI tools take your money. Imagine.art just dropped something different. You can actually build and cache AI apps on this platform. You build the app, you publish it, and every time someone uses it, you earn credits. No coding, no team, just you, your idea, and the platform. I spent some time exploring how this thing works, and today I'm going to walk you through the whole process. From your first click to publishing your app to earning credits every time someone uses it. We'll go through the 4 steps. We build a real app together, an image restoration and colorization tool which is super popular on Instagram and TikTok right now. And I'll be honest about what's exciting here and what's still kind of unclear. So here's the model in plain English. You build a workflow inside Imagine.art. That's basically a chain of AI tools that does one specific job. Then you publish it as an app. Anyone in the community can use it, and every time they do, you earn credits in your account. The big deal, you don't need to be a developer to do this. Let me show you. Head over to Imagine.art and log in. On the left sidebar, click Workflows, then click Create New Workflow. After that, click Builder on the left sidebar. That's it, you're in. The interface is clean, black background, simple node system. If you ever use something like ComfyUI or even Zapier, this will feel familiar. If you haven't, don't worry, it's still pretty intuitive. For this video, I'm building something practical, an image restoration and colorization tool. The reason it's simple. Old family photos are everywhere. This kind of stuff is super popular on Instagram and TikTok right now, and there are definitely a lot of people who would pay good money to get a quality result. Let me walk you through the build click by click. First, click on the input node. Here we add 2 things, a text box for our prompt and an image box for the old photo. I'm attaching a black and white photo of myself from when I was about 3 or 4 years old, sitting in the front passenger seat of an old vintage car. In the text box, I'm going with this prompt. Restore and colorize this old photo in a highly realistic way. Preserve the original facial features, expressions, clothing and background details. Remove scratches, dust, stains, and damage while keeping the image natural and authentic. Add realistic skin tones, accurate lighting, and true-to-life colors without making it look artificial or overly modern. Next, right-click on the canvas and choose Generate Image. You get a lot of model options here, but I'm going with GPT Image 2. Then we choose the format, in my case 16:9, resolution 4K, quality high. Now we hit run from the output node box and let it cook. Okay, here's the result. And overall I think it looks very strong. The photo was cleaned up really well, the colors feel natural and the car has a believable vintage blue tone. The skin tones are also nicely balanced, the shirt still looks simple and realistic, and the whole image has a much sharper, more polished look without feeling overly saturated. It definitely looks like a convincing restoration. There are a few minor issues though. The AI slightly softened my original expression, so the restored version feels a little calmer than the old photo. Some facial details and clothing texture were also reconstructed rather than perfectly preserved. So the final image looks great visually, but it's not a perfect one-to-one restoration. Once we are done in the editor tab, we click on the app tab right next to it. This is where we test the app to see if anything throws an error before we publish. You press the Run App button and it just runs through the workflow once to make sure everything is wired up correctly. No surprises, no broken nodes. The results we already saw from the output node confirms the logic works. This step is just the safety check. When you are happy with everything, you go to the Publish App section. This is where the monetization side kicks in. Here you choose a title for your app and a description. Then under Visibility, you have 3 options: Personal, Team or Public. I'm going with Public because I want anyone in the community to be able to use it. Remix Access, I'm leaving that off. Now for monetization. Imagine.art shows you the base cost of your app. For the highest quality settings I picked, that comes out to 297 credits. Then you choose how much you want to earn on top. The tiers are simple: none, low 10 credits, medium 20 or high 30 credits per use. I'm going with medium 20 credits. So if 50 people use your app at this tier, you earn 1000 credits. Add a thumbnail, hit publish. Your app is live on the community page. So is this actually a way to earn money with AI? The model is real, the credit system makes sense, the build experience is generally low friction. That's the good part. What I can't tell you yet is how much creators are really earning. That depends on how discoverable apps become and how much traffic the community page gets. So I'd say try it now while it's new and the competition is low. First movers tend to win. Beyond image restoration, here are 3 other ideas worth building today. 1. A movie scene environment app. Drop yourself into a frame from your favorite film. Super shareable. 2. A brand guideline generator. Logo, colors, font, tone of voice, all in one click. 3. A social media carousel generator. Pick a topic, get 10 ready to post slides. I'll publish the image restoration app this week and report back on the real earnings in the next video, so consider this part 1. Drop a comment with the AI app you would build if you have this tool. Best idea, I will actually build it and credit you in the next video. And if you want to see how I tested Imagine's art workflow system, watch this video right up over here. Bye.